Hello everyone. Creating a winning freelancer profile on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr requires some effort and attention to detail. Here are some tips to help you create an effective profile. 1. Choose a professional profile picture. Your profile picture should be a professional headshot that portrays you in a positive light. Avoid using casual or inappropriate photos. 2. Write a catchy headline. Your headline should be concise and attention-grabbing. It should clearly describe your skills and expertise. 3. Write a clear and concise bio. Your bio should be well written, easy to read, and should clearly explain your skills, experience, and qualifications. Use bullet points to highlight your key strengths. 4. Showcase your portfolio. Include examples of your best work in your portfolio. This will help potential clients see your skills and experience firsthand. 5. Highlight your skills. Use relevant keywords in your profile to help potential clients find you when they search for specific skills or services. 6. Be specific about your services. Clearly outline the services you offer and the types of projects you're interested in working on. This will help you attract clients who are looking for your specific skill set. 7. Set reasonable rates. Your rates should be competitive, but also reflect your level of expertise and experience. 8. Get good reviews. Ask clients to leave you reviews on the platform. Good reviews will help you attract more clients and build your reputation. By following these tips, you can create a winning freelancer profile that will help you attract clients and win projects on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr.